Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create an event registrations form in Canva. If you're planning a workshop, webinar or party, you can use Canva to create the sign up form because it is the first impressions of an event. So now let's just get started. You can just open Canva in here and then just head into elements, and here you'll see the forms option. So this is a pretty new features in Canva. You can click on the forms options, and then here you'll see the events category. You can click on see all to see all of the preset or templates available in events registration form. You can just choose which one. For example, I'm going to go with this reservations. Okay, click on the form. Now you can just modify the form based on your need. For example, in here, you can just click on edit at the top, and then here you can change the question. You can also add another questions in here. For example, I'm going to add a question about email. You can just click on this and it will be added automatically. And also I'm going to add about, let's say, checkbox. Okay, you can just add the questions in here. And also the options, and here is the settings of the form. You can choose whether you want to show the header or not, and here you can also change the footer and the responses in here. For the responses settings, you can click on this drop down whether you want to collect respondent names or not in here. And if you want to see the response, you can just click on the responses options, and in here no responses yet, but you can, if there's any response, you can see it in here. So guys, that's how you can create event registrations in Canva. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. I'll see you all in the next one.